Moving day is finally here, and a little preparation can make all the difference between chaos and a smooth move. Start the day early and have a clear plan. Make sure boxes are packed, labeled, and placed in an easy-to-access area. Keep important documents, medications, chargers, and valuables with you instead of on the moving truck. If you are using professional movers, do a quick walkthrough with them. Point out fragile items, special instructions, and which boxes go in which rooms. Clear pathways so moving furniture is faster and safer. Stay available throughout the day. Answer questions, double-check inventory, and keep an eye on loading and unloading. Offering water or snacks can also help keep everyone energized. Before leaving your old home, do a final sweep. Check closets, cabinets, drawers, and storage areas to make sure nothing is left behind. Take photos of the empty space for your records if needed. At your new home, guide movers as boxes come in. Focus first on setting up beds, bathrooms, and basic kitchen items so the first night feels manageable. A successful moving day is not about perfection. It is about staying organized, flexible, and focused. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 86-634-31243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.